Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HTML Professor. So today we are typing the ninth program, so let's get started. First of all, we all know that we have to open the notepad. So let's open it. The ninth program is about the MARQUEE tag. So let's get started. It is the most important tag in HTML. MARQUEE tag. Basically, MARQUEE tag defines the scrolling text area in the HTML document that moves across the page in a horizontal or vertical direction. So it is the basic information that I am giving you. By default, text found within the marquee tag will scroll from right to left. Now we are starting. Title we will give marquee and the title tag. Now we'll over the head tag. Now body. Alternate. H1 tag. We'll end the H1 tag and marquee tag. Now we'll end the body tag and HTML tag. Now in the output we can see that the sentence will be moving from right to left. So let's save the file with the extension html and in all files. Now let us check the output.